Hello, this is Pick Up. Have a nice day.
Okay, first question is try to.
Do I look nervous?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry. Can I repeat again? There to need. Oh, sorry. Because you could, for a better, to learn.
Okay.
I forgot. Pick up. For more please just studying and teaching. Can I repeat again?
Okay, perfect.
Hello, my name is Ashley. You can call me Ash. I've been teaching English for more than 2 years now. And it is fun to teach other people from other countries, especially those who would like to learn English. My main focus is speaking. It is important that the student will speak a lot, and I will make sure that their grammar and pronunciation will be checked. And the most important part is the students should be comfortable and they are having fun while learning English. Online classes is convenient and cheaper. It is more convenient because you could study anywhere and anytime that you would like to. It is cheaper because you don't need to go to another country. All you need to have is a laptop and a mobile phone and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Speak Up is a community that will help the student to look for the right teacher for them to study English. At the same time, they will be welcome to the world of learning English. English is the most spoken language in the whole world. In other countries, English is a must-learn language. So what are we waiting for? Let's learn English together and start to speak up. For more information or details, please check on the description below. If you have any questions, you could leave a comment in English in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible.